Ain't no way he just bought a Dodge Hornet when you got goddamn. There's so many other cars that nigga could have bought. And you bought a Dodge Hornet, you could have bought a fucking Hellcat. You don't want no Hellcat, you want a little something a little slower. Get a fucking RT. Get a real man's car, nigga. Okay, that boy got the stain. Damn, okay. That bitch sound crazy.
This deluxe is all cap. This shit is not real.
Alright, man, we back. We back. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, this shit sound crazy. Damn. Ooh, he tweaking, man. Nah, man, but we got a nice little. I don't know what this video gonna be, bro. I'm sorry if this shit's all over the place, bro. I'm sorry, y'all. It's been all like an all over the place ass day, bro. Like, I was supposed to do my bumpers today, did not do my bumpers. Everything, bro. Plus, I started getting hungry and thirsty, bro. I'm like, look, gang, we do this shit another day. So, yeah, we didn't do my bumpers. We did everything else. We did shoot some skits, though, so can't be mad at that, you feel me? Fuck it, we just wind the windows all the way down real quick. See what they be talking about. Window down. Of course. I'm tripping in it, bitch. I'm wildin', cuz. This shit crazy, bro. I don't think I could ever get tired of this shit, like. Wait, where you turning? I couldn't tell y'all, bro. Niggas on it, bit. Okay. See, I'm a nice person, bro. Like, even if I end up... I'm sick and tired. Damn, that loud ass Infinity. Oh, I'm eating this light. I had no choice but to... Oh, no, this shit ain't moving that fast. Be straight. This shit smooth, bro. This shit smooth. What the hell is going on down there, bit? Man, need to be. It just be traffic for nothing. Like, this shit look crazy though. It was about 5 something though. So this probably like everybody getting off work. That's probably what all of this shit is. I'm hungry as hell, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Nigga, I'm finna go straight to Sheets. I ain't even finna fake it to y'all, bro. And y'all know, god damn, y'all know usually I don't like to end my videos when I'm on the road, but today I might end it when I'm on the let me see, bro, because when I go, yeah, I have to end it when I'm on the road, actually, unless I pull over at a gas station real quick, and then I can do that. Pull over at a gas station real quick. I just spent a good amount of money today that I didn't want to spend, but like, man, we straight though. Remember what I tell y'all, bro, shit can always be worse, you feel me? Gotta make a little noise when I'm coming through that bit. Wind that bit down some more. Oh, damn. Trashy ass roads. I'm I'm sorry if I fuck you. I know you fucking lying. Are you fucking serious? Yo, bro, you see what I'm saying though? Like, stupid niggas. My fucking car smell like transmission. Ooh, that bitch low as hell. My car smell like transmission fluid. Like I cleaned out my car and it was like shit really waste in the back of my car, bro. Fuck, I gotta eat this bitch. This bitch say Monday through Fridays, nigga. We good, nigga. It's a Saturday. Ooh, that's a Supra? Was that a Supra? I don't know, bro. I'm blind as hell, nigga. I was squinting at that sign, bro, just now. Behind the Tesla and shit, man. They redid these roads too. This shit did not look like this. You see what I'm saying though? These niggas be wasting money on stupid, dumb ass, unnecessary ass shit. Look at this shit, bro. I ain't know I was going off road, then, nigga. Look at yo, bro. You gotta love Richmond, bro. Like they priorities are top tier, bro. These niggas. Look at this shit. Why? This Jamestown that road, bro. Gotta love it though. Fucking with this shit, you get a fucking new alignment, bro. Why I said don't do it. I know you see them young niggas flying past, bro. Don't do it, fool. It ain't even worth it. Just take your time. Love Virginia. I like all trolling aside. Virginia's cool, bro. It's just nothing here to do. Like. Dead ass. There's literally nothing here. Like, listen to that beast, nigga. Ooh, shit. Chat, wait till I get my supercharge. I'm gonna just be at the lights just the whole time. Watch. Y'all niggas gonna get tired of hearing my shit, bro. When I do that. Nigga, is that a Dodge Hornet, nigga? You bought that shit? He need his ass beat. Ain't no way he just bought a Dodge Hornet. Well, you got goddamn. There's so many other cars that nigga could have bought. Nigga, you bought a Dodge Hornet, you could have bought a fucking HELLCAT. Man, nigga, go trade that shit in, man. You don't want no HELLCAT, you want something a little slower? Get a fucking RT. Get a real man's car, nigga. That nigga tend a little too dark. That nigga might be the feds. Nah, he don't got no like shit on the back. He straight. Don't know, this is my favorite bridge over. Well, it's more of like an underpath, right? Ain't that what you call them? Like when you going under like a highway or like a bridge, ain't they called an underpath? I think that's what it's called. But bro, I fuck with this joint right here. That shit sounds so good with my car. I've been trying to find long ass bridges, bro. I know it's one somewhere like around. I just don't know where it's at. gotta chill, cause police will be goddamn out there, bitch. Damn. I most definitely do gotta air out my car though, cause them bags smell like straight transmission fluid, bro. That shit wasted everywhere, bro. And I can't get with that, fool. I ain't gonna lie to you. I need to get in that lane, bro. Damn. I need to tune this shit so bad, fool. Okay, that boy got the stain. Damn. Okay. That bitch sound crazy. I'm bugging with it. Y'all see a nigga gripping his steering wheel like this? That nigga got a shiesty mask on while he driving. I'm telling you, what's that? Damn, I can't see it. I'm blind. Was that a Lexus, bro? I'm telling y'all, bro, I'm real deal blind as hell, bro. Like, was that a Lexus? I think it was. How many people behind this nigga? Only one nigga. Okay, be straight. I'm gonna let them niggas go ahead, then I'm gonna go to the goddamn gas station. Go ahead, love, man. We gonna end right here, cause like I said, you know, I don't want to end it on the road. There we go. Alright, man, as y'all boys can see, you know what I'm saying, we got the second gen right here, you know what I'm saying, we got my baby, man. Finna goddamn end this video off, man. Appreciate y'all boys for watching. We gonna try to do, I be trying to do this bumper, bro. I just never, like, days just never go as planned. I'm trying to tell y'all, this shit just never go as planned. So, but, appreciate y'all boys for watching, though. I'm finna get out this one. Hopefully y'all boys enjoyed the video, man. And I'm out this bitch, man. Peace out.